Tommy is making a birdhouse at a craft store. He can choose one of 5 house styles, and one of 2 types of wood, and one of 8 paint colors. How many ways can Tommy make a birdhouse? Alright, so unlike the last problem where you could only choose one background for your picture, in this case he needs to choose a style and a type of wood and a paint color. He needs to choose 3 different things. So in this case we are going to multiply. So first we're going to do our 3 blanks. This will be for style, this will be for type of wood, and this will be for color. There's 5 different styles he could pick from, so I'm going to put that here. There's 2 types of wood, and there's 8 paint colors. So I'm just going to multiply those together. 5 times 2 times 8, which would give him 80 different combinations of how he can make his birdhouse.